Hey guys, this is Groovy for Yarcrypto.com, and today I'm gonna make a introduction to Binance. Binance is one of the biggest, if not the biggest exchange in the world for cryptocurrencies, but it can be a little overwhelming at first, especially if you're just starting out in crypto. So today I'm gonna walk you through all the features and all the dashboard elements that you need to know so you can start trading right away. So when you first access Binance.com, this is the first screen that you're going to see. We have a bunch of prices for cryptocurrencies up here, as well as down here. And we have a little bit about the platform as well. What we are going to do is click on the Register Now button. And the website is going to ask us for our information. So you can just type your email and password of choice, and then click on Create Account. Once you are finished with your registration, you're going to be redirected to this screen right here. And we can go up to the top right up here and go to our profile. So once we are on our profile, you're going to see this little window pop up here. This is basically a security verification for the platform, which includes your phone verification and your Google verification as well. This is going to be very important for the security of your account, so I recommend doing this right away. Once you are done with that, you can come back to this screen, which is your profile, and what you're going to see is the main dashboard for your account, including the account balance and the value in US dollars as well as BTC, which is Bitcoin. You can go up to the security tab on the left, and right here we're gonna make our identity verification with the platform, which is gonna allow us to withdraw larger amounts and basically have more freedom with the money we put in and the money we take out of the platform. Once you are in this screen right here, you can go up in your personal details and you can click on verify. And this is gonna ask you your basic information and require you as well to upload a photo of your ID as well as take a picture of yourself to verify your identity. Once you do that, Binance is gonna analyze your information and verify you on the platform. Usually it doesn't take too long for you to get verified. So once you are done with the registration and the validation of your account, you can start trading and buying crypto right away. But there's a couple of things that you should have in mind when you are using Binance as a platform. So in your dashboard, you're going to see that you have a lot of different wallets that you can choose from. The first one and the most important one is your spot wallet. The spot wallet is basically where all your crypto holdings will be. So any crypto that you buy, Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other, it will be stored on the spot wallet. So when you are starting out in crypto, the spot wallet is probably the one that you're going to use the most. Next, we have the P2P Wallet, which is short for peer-to-peer. And the P2P Wallet is basically where all your peer-to-peer transactions are going to be stored at. Peer-to-peer transactions on Binance is a form of buying and selling crypto directly with another person. So basically you are buying it directly from another person and not from the platform itself. When you are doing P2P transactions, you have zero fees for the transactions that you make, but on the other hand, you have low liquidity on that market and you have slower transactions as well. The next wallet that we have is the margin wallet. The margin wallet is basically a more advanced form of trading that I don't recommend doing unless you are more experienced with crypto in general. But basically is a way of borrowing money from the platform so that you can trade with leverage and maximize the gains from your trades. But in doing that, you maximize your losses as well. So it's a very dangerous form of trading, but it's something that is available for us as well on the platform. And then we have the futures wallet as well. The futures trading is very similar to the margin trading in the way that you are trading with leverage, but in futures, you can actually increase your leverage even more because when you are trading futures, you are trading contracts based on the underlying value of the asset that you are trading, and you are paying a fee every 8 hours that you have a trade open. Again, I should point out that both futures and margin trading are two very dangerous forms of trading that I don't recommend doing if you're not experienced in trading already. If you're just starting out, I recommend you do just spot trading for now. Then you have your Earn wallet as well, which is where you can stake and earn APY on your crypto holdings. You have your WazirX wallet, where you can buy USDT from Indian rupees. And then you have your Pool wallet, which is tied to the mining services from Binance. So these are all the wallets that are available to you with Binance. But once you have your account all set up, it's time for you to deposit some funds into the platform, into your spot account. And to do that, you can simply go to the spot section on your dashboard, or you can go to buy crypto as well. And then you have your payment options. I'm going to click on deposit. And then you're going to be redirected to this screen right here. You're going to click on fiat. And then you can select the currency that you prefer. So you choose your currency over here and then click the payment option and then you click continue. The processing for your deposits usually takes from 1 to 5 business days, depending on your currency and the payment method that you chose. Once you have your money on your account, there's a bunch of ways that you can buy crypto. You can go to the front page again, and then you can click on buy now. Once you do that, you're going to be redirected to a bunch of different coins, and you can select the one that you want. I'm going to select Bitcoin. You put the amount that you want, and you can add from here as well. And then you follow the steps, select your payment option, and confirm your order. Another way that you can do it is from the convert option up here. And then you choose the currency that you have on your account. And then you click on the coin that you want to convert your currency to. Keep in mind that if you want to convert, you may not have all the options available for you in terms of coins that you can convert. Another option is for you to do a manual trade. You can come to the classic tab or the advanced one, and you click on it, and you're going to be redirected to this screen right here. This is a more advanced kind of trading, and it can be a little confusing at first, but on this screen right here, in this platform, you can do a more refined selection for the price that you want to buy your crypto. You have your buy and your sell menus on the right side, and then you have your limit and market orders on this side right here. For limit orders, you can set a specific price for you to buy your crypto. So when it hits that given price, your order is going to complete and you're going to buy that amount of crypto. You can choose your amount down here. And for market orders, you're going to place an order that's going to be filled immediately, and you're going to buy for the current price of the asset that you're buying from. Again, this is a more advanced way of buying and selling crypto, but once you get used to it, it's going to be easier. So guys, I hope that I could get you familiar with Binance and how the platform works. Keep in mind that in future tutorials, we're going to go more in depth in trading, leverage trading, and trading off of support and resistance lines, and all the other forms of trading that you can do. If you want to learn more, please consider joining the Yarcrypto Discord community. We have a lot of really nice people that are willing to share a lot of information and a lot of knowledge about the crypto market. And we are going to continue to post more content about the crypto market and trading in general. For now, I wish you guys a lot of good trades. This has been Groovy for Yarcrypto.com. Bye bye.